It's time for Big Engine Brawl. Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing the Big Engine Brawl. Still, the engine's gonna beat me. Part 1. Videos. Videos for Springman and Ivan Dude. And Joshua. Big Engine Brawl.
After a long day of hard work, Thomas the Tank Engine was finally making his way home. But to his surprise, there were two individuals standing on the platform at Farquhar, waving at him. One of them, a young woman, was holding something Thomas had never seen before. Thomas stopped in front of them, looking very confused indeed.
Who are you? And what on earth is that horrid contraption you're holding?
The girl holding the thing laughed.
This isn't just some horrid contraption. It's a gramophone. It plays music to sing along to. Just try it.
Thomas looked at the gramophone, and then his soon-to-be opponent.
Right then, let's give it a try.
Three, two, one, go! Cockball. Wow, your music's cool. Cool. Let's go, boy. Hold on. Just take a break. 30. Wow, you did a good job. Thanks, Thomas. I think I did. Yo! Welcome to Soda.
Three, two, one, go.
This is easy. Ooh.
Three, two, one, hit it.
The oven's on, done.
Three, two, one, go.
no. Hey, what's going on? Chicken that I got the Rachel Ray's chicken last night.
This is lost by a long shot. Henry, I'm on it.
You just throw it up last time, remember?
It's like lose my mouth water.
Stop!
I fucking get it! Yeah!
Did he throw up? Mom, did he throw up? Let me see. I see him. So how?
Oh my god, stop for that! What I need to do? What is that?
What's up?
Just get out of the way.
You two just can't do anything right, can you?
Whatever.
But that isn't important right now. Issue at hand of these two pissants that have been gallivanting around our railway, making fools of the lot of us. It's just disgraceful.
It's disgusting.
Despicable. And we cannot allow it. You wanted a brawl, little whatever you are? We'll show you what big engines can really do.
Wow. Yeah, hey, you see my dog? Yeah.
He gonna get his little ass slapped. What?
Three, two, one,
Hold on.
No, I got it from that like the Dick's Warehouse or Dick's whatever.
Cody me out. Cody. Can't have fish, man. Got your stomach, man. Got your stomach toe up. Huh? That's alright. I'm gonna get you chicken, man. My bad. My bad. I tried to give you fish. Ross couldn't have it either. I was hard-headed with Ross. I used to give him a buffalo salmon, wilderness, and Ross. Taking your VR headset over grandma's? Or your computer?
You should take it because I think they got one. Probably I can play with you on it.
Oh yeah, that's it for today's review of part 1. I hope you want to see part 2, or you want to ask me. And if you copy my video, I'm going to report you.
All right, Lynn. Once you do this, get your clothes out. Go get your stuff together that you're going to take away.
All right.
Get your chargers. Get everything that you need to bring.
Okay. Yo. What did I click?
I'm sorry. There's nothing more I can do for you.
Yo, I see it. It says welcome to Showdown.
And I mean, hey, we need some more dog food.
Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you like and subscribe. Now, please do not copy my videos. Please, please, please.